Auckland is the largest city in New Zealand and a hub for business, innovation, and culture. It offers a range of investment opportunities for businesses of all sizes. In this article, we'll explore the different investment options available in Auckland and how to take advantage of government programs and incentives for investors. One of the most significant investment opportunities in Auckland is in the real estate industry. The city's high demand for housing has resulted in steadily increasing property values over the years. Investors can participate in real estate development, rental properties, or invest in real estate investment trusts. Rights. Auckland's growing population and status as a global business hub make it an ideal location for long-term real estate investments. The technology industry is also thriving in Auckland, with a growing number of tech startups and established companies, including Xero and Rocket Lab. Investors can participate in funding these startups or invest in technology infrastructure and talent. The New Zealand government also offers various programs to support the tech industry, including research and development tax incentives and export assistance. Tourism is another growing industry in Auckland, with millions of tourists visiting each year to enjoy its famous attractions, including the Sky Tower and the Auckland Harbour Bridge. Investors can invest in hotels, restaurants, or other tourism-related businesses. The New Zealand government also offers various programs to support the tourism industry, including tax incentives and infrastructure development. The New Zealand government has various programs and incentives to attract investors. For example, the New Zealand Trade and Enterprise provides support to foreign investors looking to set up a business in the country. The government also offers tax incentives for businesses in certain industries and provides a simplified process for setting up a business in the country. If you're interested in investing in Auckland, it's essential to consult with an expert who can guide you through the process and help you make the right decisions. At Trade and Invest, we offer valuable insights and information on investing in Auckland and other global markets. Make sure to subscribe to our Trade and Invest YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest news and trends in the investment world. Subscribe to Trade and Invest YouTube channel for expert advice and insights on investing.